Hi guys, thanks for joining us. I'm TJ Paulin.
And I'm Justin Slusser, and we're here to present to you the all-new Grand Design Imagine Travel Trailer, a lightweight luxury travel trailer that's absolutely slam-packed full of features for you. And we're going to start right here at the front cap. This is a molded one-piece fiberglass front cap on this unit. Extra protection here. Up top, you've got your LEDs for bright lights at night, and then down below is your diamond plate protection. So this is going to be like a road guard when you're traveling down the road. Anything that the tow vehicle throws against the unit, this is here to protect it.
Absolutely. And Just, is this power tongue jack standard that comes with this unit?
This is absolutely standard.
It's a great feature.
A great feature. You don't have to break your back, crank over, bending over and just cranking and cranking. Just stand here, push your button, and then you've also got a hitch light. So if you're hooking up at night, you don't have to worry about banging into anything. You're going to be able to see perfectly.
All right, moving over this way, we're going to look at this oversized compartment door that they have here. This gives you all the storage you need while you're camping. And one of the reasons that they can do this is because of the drop frame construction. This just gives you double the storage here.
So this is, being oversized, you can fit whatever size cooler you want, chairs, really whatever you're taking with you. You've got big enough opening here to slide whatever you want in there. And then not only that, but this door is slam latch. So you can see it's a metal latch. And then like a motorhome baggage door that is $100, $200, $300,000. And then the magnet up top just to top off this amazing compartment. You don't have those plastic latches, you've got the magnet that just locks it in solid.
That's a great feature.
Look how big this awning is. TJ, can you believe that it's almost the full length of this trailer here?
This is the full length. I mean, it really ties in just to how good the graphics look on this whole unit. These graphics are backed by a 5-year warranty from any cracking, peeling, or shrinking. No other brand is doing that. That's just an amazing feature.
Absolutely. And then right here, outside TV hookup. So, I mean, they've literally thought of everything to be on this campsite. You want your power hookup, you want to be like a grill or a skillet, TV, your cable hookups here. They've really thought of everything on this side of the trailer.
Yeah, this is, underneath this awning, this really gives you a good camping feel. And these are beautiful aluminum wheels that this unit comes with, right?
They're absolutely gorgeous. Aluminum rims, they're nitrogen-filled tires. And then the aluminum rim doesn't, it dissipates heat a lot better than steel, so it's a much safer towing vehicle here.
Yeah, and these also have a 5-year warranty too with the tires, and the first year of the warranty is no questions asked. They'll replace it. So Grand Design really stands behind their products, what they put on their units.
That's 12 months, no questions asked on your tires.
Yeah, absolutely. That's amazing.
Nobody else
is doing that. Yeah, and these steps, they look different than most brands are doing. This is a different step, right?
Oh, these are like, I don't know, they're like made out of some crazy material.
But
they're so rock solid.
They must be really heavy. Can one person pick this up?
I don't know. Can you, sir?
That's amazing how light they are.
Like they're so solid and sturdy where every other step is just, you walk in and the trailer's bouncing up and down.
This is nice, very nice.
And then the friction hinge door. So a lot of the times, you know, you're camping and it's windy and your catch is broken because they don't have something to really harness that door, where the wind's never going to just grab your door and slam it against the side of your trailer.
Yeah, catch somebody's fingers or it could hurt a kid.
Absolutely. Yeah. Great safety feature here on the Imagine. Oversized handle. So, I mean, if you're going in and out, you want something that's sturdy to lock onto. Whether you've got something heavy in this hand, it's a great safety feature. If you've got, you know, older person that needs assistance trying to get in, that's a great feature for them as well.
All right, moving to the back of the unit, you guys are going to see some awesome features here. So this ladder on here gives you full access to the roof, and on this luxury lightweight unit, it's still a walkable roof. So no worries about getting up there. Also, you'll notice it has a spare tire. So that gives you worry-free traveling while you're hitting the road.
Now, is that standard?
This is standard on this unit.
And other brands are going to charge you how much? Like $200, $300
$300 for that spare tire, absolutely.
And then this wall, there's something special about this wall, that it's laminated. There's a lot of strength and integrity in this back wall. A lot of brands aren't going to give you that. There's going to be like a hung fiberglass where you can literally push this wall and make this whole wall cave in and out. This is super strong. I mean, this is tying all this together, so you want some integrity back here. And that's what Grand Design does for you on the Imagine.
And I believe with the wall strength, there's also really high insulation values. So I believe on this unit, the roof and front cap are R40 insulation values, and then the floor is going to be R30. So that gives you a 4 seasons protection for this unit.
That's like 3-4 times higher than other brands.
Absolutely.
Even this being a luxury lightweight, they're still able to give you all that. That's amazing.
And moving on, just to note, this is prepped for a backup camera. So you guys, all you have to do is plug it in, and this unit is ready to go.
So that's a great feature as well, that they're just other brands don't even give you that option at this price point.
Or you have to hardwire it in.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's labor intensive, and you're spending hundreds of dollars when it's included on the Imagine.
Walking over this way, I noticed there's a pretty bright LED light here. Is that
So if you're hooking up at night, this is where you're going to hook up your sewage hose and things like that. You're going to be able to see at nighttime. You're not have to bring your own flashlight or flashlight helmet like I've seen some people have. And then another great feature is your black tank flush. So you can hook your pressurized water into here and then flush out anything in the black tank to help make sure that everything gets out of there.
That's a great feature.
That's an absolutely awesome feature.
And this slide room, this is also a fully laminated slide box, just like the back wall is.
Correct. I mean, they don't give up the integrity, the strength that is a lot of people do in the slide room. They send it all the way through the unit. And then you've also got your triple seal here. So you got one seal, another seal here, and then there's another one back here
double
behind
flap
this
seal, yeah.
for extra protection from that water, weather, elements, things like that.
That's a great feature. All right, moving this way, we're going to notice the universal docking station that this unit comes with. This kind of goes along with the Four Seasons package that this unit has. This gives you all the hookups all in one. It also has a battery disconnect, so when you're storing the unit, you can unhook the battery, and you're never going to run into picking up your camper with a dead battery.
Correct. I mean, they've just put a lot of thought and effort to making customers' lives easy by having everything in one spot. A lot of brands are just going to scatter it everywhere and make life more difficult for you, where this being all in one spot, it's just going to make your life so much easier.
Yeah, absolutely. And one thing I think we should still touch on the outside is the Titan triple seal that they use to seal this whole unit.
Absolutely.
So it's the best in the industry. They use 3 types of seals. They use Mylar tape, PVC foam gasket, and then they silicone seal it. So that just prevents any water from getting in your unit really ever.
That Mylar tape, we were just looking at it before, is that it is good from -60 degrees to 212 degrees. I mean, that is insane to me that it can withstand that much. So it's definitely going to be able to hold up to any type of camping and weather that you're going to put it through.
Absolutely. This is just truly a luxury lightweight unit.
Can you tell us a little bit about this, TJ?
Yeah, so this is unit comes solar prepped. So all you have to do is hook up your solar panel and you're ready to go. This is, I mean, it comes with everything that you need.
Yeah, they've just thought of so many ways to make life easier, more efficient for our customers when they're RVing out there. It's amazing.
Yeah.
All right, TJ, let's take a look at this beautiful inside of this unit. I mean, this unit just has such like a modern, contemporary feel. It's so open inside here.
It feels very open, and the natural light from the windows is, I mean, these are huge windows, if you see.
These windows have a blackout nightshade, so all we got to do is just pull that down, and you've got complete privacy, and that's what you want when you're camping in this at nighttime. You want privacy, and then you just lock it in, and then let it go, and it's easy as that.
Man, that's a very nice feature, and the furniture that you're in front of it, that looks really comfortable. Is that residential furniture?
This is residential furniture. You've got storage in here, and then right here there's heat. So I'm going to sit back, I'm going to watch a movie, and I'm just going to put the heat on. But the best feature is that there's a massage built into this. So we just touch that, and it's massaging my back, and I'm just chilling and relaxing, and then I can recline. I mean, does it get any better than this?
I also noticed USB charging ports too. So really, this sofa has.
So
it
if I
all.
want to charge my cell phone while I'm sitting here, I can do that.
Yeah.
Look at these lights underneath here.
Yeah.
So you want like a little ambient lighting at nighttime, and you want to be able to see where you're going. You don't have to have all these bright lights on. You can just push that switch, and it takes care of that.
That's amazing. That looks great. All right, moving over this way, you'll see this has an extra large U-shaped dinette. And this table is removable, so you could take this outside and use it for outside camping. I mean, I couldn't imagine not having that or having to take another table out with you camping, but there's a ton of space here. And like I said, it also makes into a really large bed. And then it has storage underneath. These are hidden hinges and gives you a ton of extra storage that's kind of hidden out of the way that you can use.
Unbelievable, TJ. I love that feature. Moving to the kitchen, look at this flip-up countertop. This is crazy that you get this extra workspace, because this is what you're going to want when you're cooking dinner for the whole family. And then the whole seamless countertop. So everything in the countertop is just seamless. There's no T-molding, no edges to collect water for. And then if you look at the backsplash, this is like one piece. It just comes all the way up, and it's a solid backsplash that goes all the way to the full length of the cabinet. And then moving to your sink is a residential undermount sink. So it's residential feel, residential grade, and then a high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer.
And Justin, one thing I'm noticing in this kitchen is how much storage it has. I mean, these cabinets are deep, they're tall, and then down below here, this pots and pan storage is like no other brand does. I mean, this is amazing.
So check that out. Like, can you tell us what these do down here?
Yeah, these are for different types of storage that you can use. So all your, everything that you're storing is not moving around in travel. That's an amazing feature. And a lot of other brands, they don't give you this glass cooktop, which actually gives you a lot more cooking preparation space that you need. And then also the accent light that this has. It's just very nice appliances. The wood look to match the cabinets. The freezer and the refrigerator. This fridge is actually 8 cubic foot. Most brands out there are only going to be 6 cubic foot. So it's a great feature that this unit has.
I love this entertainment center, TJ. You've got so much storage. If you open all these up, there's just an unbelievable amount of storage in here. And not only that, but in the 2600 RB Imagine, it's directly across from our theater seating. So huge TV that actually pulls out, swivels and articulates for you. And then stereo, CD, DVD, Bluetooth, all directly across from the great seating area with a great view for it.
That's a really nice feature.
And while we're over here, let's take a look at just some of the little things that the Grand Design Imagines do. Coat holder, key holder, whatever you want. It's right next to the entrance here to make your life easy. You just come in, put it there, and then one convenience center. So all your buttons, all your controls, everything centrally located. And then just extra storage. They just pile on the storage.
That's stuff that no other brand does.
TJ, can you tell us, because I know these are amazing features, the AC and the heat system?
Yeah, absolutely. So this air conditioner is really special. It's ducted throughout the whole unit, and it's a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. It also has a quick cool feature. So you can open these vents and cool this immediate area down in the unit when you come in and it's really hot in the summer.
So I can just come in, just stand right here and just soak it all
Cool down
up.
the living room
That's
while
amazing.
you watch the TV. But also the floor. You'll notice there's no floor registers to collect dirt or grime or anything in this floor.
I can't believe that they're doing it so differently, but such a great idea, so much better than the competition that puts the registers in the floor. Because that register over time, we see it on trade-ins, it collects everything that comes through this unit.
Absolutely.
Pet hair, food, anything that comes to this area. So this is just such a clean look.
Yeah.
That I love this look.
But they take it a step further too with the heat, because the heat also goes down into the underbelly, the enclosed underbelly of this unit, making it a 4 seasons coach. So you can camp all seasons with that enclosed underbelly that it has.
So I can camp like all year round in this unit.
Absolutely, absolutely.
That's unbelievable. I don't know of a lot of brands in this price point you can do that.
Yeah, I don't think there's any.
Wow, amazing.
Moving into the bedroom, you're going to see how large this bed is. I mean, this is a residential size queen bed, true 60 by 80.
That's amazing. Like a lot of brands are going to give you a shorter bed that you've got to go hunt and search for specialty sheets when you've already got them at home and saving your money.
Absolutely. Do you see the overhead storage that this unit has? And also the closet space? This is dual closet space plus this unique overhead storage.
TJ, can you demonstrate these lights? Because I absolutely love these things.
Yeah, these are great reading lights. So they're LED and they're color changing and they're perfect if you're reading a book late at night just to be able to see what you're doing in the bed. Also, I'm noticing on both sides of the bed there's power hookups and also a USB hookup. That's a great feature.
It is. I love that feature. And then also there's a ton of storage under this bed. So this bed is going to lift up and we're going to be able to get anything we need underneath there, extra pillows, extra blankets. It's got plenty of storage for you to be able to look at.
You always need more storage while you're camping.
Absolutely. So the last thing I want to go over with is this area here. And this starts with a sliding barn door. Look how residential this feels. I mean, this is the style right now, and Grand Design's really dialed it in to match the customer's wants and needs. And then if we look into the bathroom, you've got so much countertop. Like, it is so deep, you can fit any toiletries, toothbrushes, whatever you want. You've got plenty of countertop. A lot of other brands are only going to give you half of this, or they're going to give you almost double compared to the rest of the competition. And then if you look at, you've got a stainless sink, you've got plenty of storage up top. So not only tons of countertop, but storage up top. And then look at the storage below. I mean, there's even more. They just keep pouring it on. Tons and tons of storage. Right here, this is a porcelain toilet. Now, I don't know about you, but a lot of brands are going to give you plastic toilet. I personally can't imagine using a plastic toilet. I don't know if you can, but in my house, we have residential porcelain grade toilet. That's what Grand Design is going to give you. I can't imagine why someone would use a plastic, but there's brands out there doing it. And then if we look at the shower, this shower is just so large. You've got a skylight in here to give you clearance, I think about 6'6", 6'7", so no matter what height, it can really accommodate you in here. And then the sliding door to give you all the privacy you need, and it's super easy to use with the elevated sprayer and then the controls, and then a one-piece tub surround all the way around the shower, one piece. A lot of brands are going to give you multiple pieces. They're going to be more sealant to deal with, not Grand Design. They're going to make life easy for you. So we've got an awesome window here that's got a privacy shade. It's got tinted windows. You can roll this up or down super easy. And then right here, you can reach in and grab your towel from the shower, pull it out. There's tons of extra storage. So Grand Design has really thought of almost every feature they can pack into this area. Residential use, residential feel, residential materials. They've really done a really good job for you in the bathroom. I just absolutely love this space. Thank you so much for taking the quick tour of the Grand Design Imagine. We thoroughly enjoyed presenting it to you. There was just so many features we didn't have time to show you, so please visit our dealership and we would love to share those with you.
Absolutely. You can also go to our website or give us a call. We're very easy to purchase from, and these are memories that are going to last for a lifetime. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thank you.